Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of 3D printing and learn how this incredible technology works. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about the basics. A 3D printer is a device that can create three-dimensional objects by adding layer upon layer of material. It's like a miniature version of a sculptor's workshop, but instead of using tools, it uses a computer-controlled extruder to build objects from the ground up. Now, let's break down the process step by step. 1. Design. The first step is to create a digital design of the object you want to print. This can be done using a variety of software programs, such as Autodesk Fusion 360 or Tinkercad. 2. Slicing. Once you have your design, you need to slice it into thin layers. This is done by the slicing software, which creates a set of instructions for the 3D printer to follow. 3. Printing. The 3D printer then reads these instructions and starts building the object layer by layer. It does this by extruding a thin layer of material, such as plastic, metal, or even food, and then moving to the next layer. This process continues until the entire object is complete. 4. Post-processing. After the object is printed, it might need some additional work to make it look and feel like the real thing. This could involve sanding, painting, or even adding details by hand. That's it. You now have a 3D printed object. But wait, there's more. 3D printing has a wide range of applications, from creating customized medical devices to building entire houses. It's a technology that's changing the way we think about manufacturing and production, and it's only going to get more impressive as it continues to evolve. So, there you have it, folks. A brief introduction to how 3D printers work. I hope you found this information useful and interesting. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the amazing world of technology.